Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Bluetooth car kits that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Scosche BTFM9 FM Bluetooth transmitter car. This kit is an affordable option that packs a lot of features into its price tag. One of its standout features is its dual USB-C and USB-A charging ports, offering 12 watts of fast charging capability. It also supports hands-free calls and integrates seamlessly with voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, making it a great choice for drivers looking to stay connected without distractions. Additionally, it plugs directly into your car's cigarette lighter socket, ensuring continuous operation without the need for battery management. In terms of design, the Scosche BTFM9 is compact and lightweight, with simple controls for play-pause, volume adjustment, and call management. While it's easy to use, the plastic build may not feel as premium as some of the other options on this list. Performance-wise, the sound quality is decent, though occasional FM interference can be an issue depending on your location. Still, it delivers reliable connectivity and a user-friendly interface ideal for basic use. This product is perfect for budget-conscious buyers who want essential Bluetooth functionality, hands-free calls, and charging ports in one package. The main downside is that the sound quality isn't as robust as higher-ranked products, and its FM transmitter can be susceptible to minor interference. However, for $19.99, it's a solid, no-frills option for everyday drivers. At number 4, we have the Joyroom Bluetooth 5.4 aux car adapter, which boasts some fantastic features for drivers looking for enhanced call clarity and multifunctionality. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4 technology, this adapter ensures faster connections with minimal latency and provides up to 100 feet of stable connectivity. A standout feature here is its dual microphones with CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology, which filters out road noise for crystal clear hands-free calls. The independent control buttons allow for easy management of music and calls, and the LED-lit design adds convenience for nighttime use. The Joyroom Bluetooth adapter is built with ABS plus PC materials, giving it a solid and durable feel. It plugs directly into your car's 3.5mm auxiliary port and is powered via USB, making setup fast and simple. The inclusion of multi-safety protections like overcurrent and short-circuit protection adds peace of mind to its usability. While it's slightly bulkier than some competitors, its smart design and thoughtful features make it a versatile and reliable choice for drivers. This adapter is ideal for users who prioritize high-quality audio for calls and music and want a device with hands-free functionality. On the downside, its price isn't listed, which could make it challenging to assess its value proposition compared to other options. Additionally, while the sound quality is excellent, it may lack some advanced features found in higher-ranked kits. Overall, Joyroom delivers a solid, well-rounded product with a focus on safe and convenient driving. Taking the third spot is the Ugreen aux to Bluetooth 5.4 adapter, a top-rated Bluetooth receiver that's perfect for cars without built-in Bluetooth functionality. This adapter is designed to work with your car's 3.5mm auxiliary jack and USB port, turning your audio system into a Bluetooth-enabled powerhouse. It features Bluetooth 5.4 technology for high-fidelity stereo sound, ensuring a stable connection with minimal latency. The built-in microphone allows for hands-free calls, and the device can pair with up to 2 devices simultaneously, making it a great option for shared use. The Ugreen adapter is crafted with zinc alloy connectors and a TPE elastic cable, making it both durable and portable. Its compact size means it won't clutter your dashboard, and the plug-and-play functionality ensures hassle-free operation. While it doesn't include USB charging ports, its focus on audio performance and ease of use makes it a fantastic choice for music lovers and frequent callers. Ideal for users who want exceptional sound quality and hands-free capabilities, This adapter shines in its simplicity and effectiveness. However, its lack of built-in charging ports might be a drawback for users looking for multifunctionality. Still, if you're seeking a dependable and high-quality Bluetooth solution for your car, the U-Green adapter is a highly recommended option. In second place, we have the IMDEN Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter for car, an excellent choice for drivers who want a reliable and feature-packed FM transmitter. One of its standout features is the inclusion of Quick Charge 3.0 technology, allowing you to power up your devices at an impressive 80% efficiency. It also supports hands-free calling with its high-performance microphone and CVC noise suppression technology, ensuring clear communication even in noisy environments. Music lovers will appreciate its hi-fi audio capabilities, which allow you to stream music via Bluetooth or USB flash drives. The IMDEN transmitter is compact and easy to use, with intuitive controls for managing calls and music playback. It plugs into your car's cigarette lighter socket and provides multi-safety protections, including overcurrent and overvoltage safeguards. While the design isn't as premium as higher-ranked products, it's highly functional and well-suited for everyday use. This transmitter is ideal for users who want fast charging combined with Bluetooth connectivity for music and calls. On the downside, its FM transmission can occasionally suffer from minor interference, but overall it offers fantastic value for its feature set. If you're looking for a versatile and dependable Bluetooth FM transmitter, the IMDEN model is a strong contender. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Lencent FM transmitter. This product is a powerhouse of features, offering crystal-clear music streaming through Bluetooth, USB flash drives, or micro SD cards. With support for multiple music formats like MP3, WMA, WAV, and FLAC, this transmitter ensures a high-quality listening experience. Its intelligent dual USB ports provide safe and efficient charging. And built-in protections like overcurrent and intelligent temperature control make it a reliable option for long-term use. Hands-free calling is another highlight, thanks to its CVC noise suppression and echo cancellation technology. Design-wise, the Lencent transmitter is sleek and compact, with a circle of blue ambient lighting that enhances visibility during nighttime driving. It also doubles as a car battery voltage monitor, giving you real-time updates on your vehicle's health. With a wide SM range of 88.1 MHz to 107.9 MHz, you're less likely to encounter interference, ensuring a smooth and consistent music experience. This transmitter is perfect for users who want a feature-rich and versatile Bluetooth car kit. The only minor downside is that it may feel a bit overwhelming for those who prefer simpler devices. However, with its impressive feature set and excellent performance, the Lencent FM transmitter is the ultimate choice for drivers looking to upgrade their car's audio experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.